Hello and welcome to another episode of 5-Minute Dissertation Diaries. My name is Marty Scholes and today is Sunday, December 31st, 2023. This week I'm technically off of school, but I want to keep you up to speed. I paid Sago the remaining $85.90 I owed them. I downloaded and archived the Zoom recordings, audio and transcripts. And what else did I do? I ran the transcripts through Otter.ai. I made a map in the first focus group between the names in Otter and the names in Zoom so that I could confirm that. And I anonymized the participant names in the first focus group. There'll be participant A1, A2, A3, and A4. And I went through and I cleaned up the first half of the transcripts yesterday, and then today I cleaned up most of the second half of the transcript for the first focus group. Tomorrow I intend to take care of, tomorrow's New Year's Day, so I get the day off work. I intend to clean up the rest of focus group 1 and all of focus group 2. And then the rest of the week, my intent is to go through and just steep myself in it, watch the videos over and over again, listen to them over and over again, really become familiar with what's happening in the focus groups. That's all I've got. Hope you're doing well. Take care and Happy New Year.